Everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. In its project description, the Turquoise Spa Manager Erin Kai and Mehdi Rodate are pleased with your work and would like to see you to continue improve the spa spread sheets. They want to use chart to learn more about the spa. Mida has given you a workbook with some data and would like to create various charts that accurately display the data. Visualizing the data with the chart will provide knowledge about the spa for decision making process. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Download and open the file name Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the start of the file name. I have already opened that one file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step is to quickly identify the value of the data series. You will modify the existing pie chart on the table use worksheet by adding the data labels on the table use worksheet. So we will go to the table use worksheet. That's our table use worksheet. What is he saying? Add data labels to the pie chart to show only percentage of each section. So we will add data labels. Only data labels. We will remove the legends. We will go to the data labels and go to the more option to show only percentage on the each. So we will select only percentage. And what is he saying? Apply the chart style 3 to the chart. So we will go to the chart gallery, chart design, and apply chart style 3. That's our chart style 3 we have applied. We will move to our third step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, Canvas course, or you need help in Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. Now we will go to the third step. You would like to use the pie chart in future presentation and would like you to able to easily isolate and print the chart. To facilitate that, you will move the chart to a new chart sheet. On the table use worksheet, move the pie chart to a new chart sheet. Distribution chart, we will copy this and we will move this chart to a new sheet and rename this one as a distribution chart and press OK. So we have move our chart to a new sheet. On the table worksheet, so we will go to the table use worksheet. What is saying? Enter 7 in the cell B6. So we will go to the cell B6. That is our cell B6. We need to put here 7. No, in the B6. There is B6. We need to put here 7. And what is saying? View the changes on the distribution chart worksheet. So we will go to the distribution chart worksheet in the pad. We have got our changes here. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is to aid the analysis of data. You would like the data on the product data worksheet to be organized and presented in an effective graphical manner to compare the total number of messages given over a night weekend period on the product data worksheet. So we will go to the product data worksheet. That is our product data worksheet. What is saying? Create a clustered column chart using the data in the cell range A2 to B12. So we will select A2 to B12. That's our data. We will go to the insert and in the recommended chart we will select which one chart? Clustered column chart. That's our clustered column chart. We will press OK. We have created a new chart and move the chart to a new sheet named as a total massages chart. So we will copy this and move the chart to a new sheet, name as a total massage charts, and press OK. So we have got our chart to a new sheet. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is, next you want to simple pie chart that show the proportion of total revenue each for of the four different massage type earned for the spa in the month of June on the revenue worksheet. So we will go to the revenue worksheet. That's our revenue worksheet. What is, create a pie chart using the data in the cell range A1 to E2. So we will select A1 to E2. That is our cell A1 to E2. We need to create a pie chart. We need to create a pie chart, 2D pie chart. We will go to the insert tab and here we will select a 2D pie chart. We have created a 2D pie chart. Move and resize the chart so that the top left corner is in the cell I3 and the bottom left corner is the cell O18. So we will go to the, move this one in the this I3 and where is its O18. So we will make it here. That's our cell O18. That's our, we have pasted our in the required location our pie chart. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is, you will create a line chart displaying the daily revenue by massage type in June. Each day will appear as a point on the line chart that is created and each massage type to be separate line on the line chart. On the revenue worksheet, create a line chart using the data in the cell A4 to E34. So we will select the A4 to E34 data range. And what we need to create a line chart. So we will go to the insert tab and here in the recommended chart we will go to the all charts and in the line chart, which chart we need to select. Mm, create a line chart. So we need to select only a line chart. That's our line chart types. We will press OK. That's our line chart. And what we need to do, move the chart so that its upper left corner is in the cell I20. So we will move it to I20. That's our cell I20. And lower left corner is cell O34. So we will make this one as a O34. Here we have resized our chart and enter the chart title as a June revenue massage type. We will copy and enter the chart title as a, we will select all, we paste our this one. That's our sixth step. We will move to our seventh step. Next you will create a stacked bar chart that will assist in visualizing the status of project redesign the massage therapy rooms on the redesign project worksheet. So we will go to the redesign project worksheet. Here that's our redesign project worksheet. So create a stacked bar chart using the data in the cell range A3 to A8 and C3 to D8. So we will select A3 to A8 and C3 to D8. We have selected our data. We need to create a stacked bar chart. We will go to insert tab and here we will select stacked bar chart. We need to select again A3 to A8 and C3 to D8 and go to the insert tab, recommended chart, and here in the all chart we will select the stacked bar chart. What he is saying, stacked bar chart, stacked column. We need to find the bar chart. That's our bar chart. That's our stacked bar chart. We will press OK. That's our stacked bar chart. Move the chart so the top left corner is the cell in A10. So we will move this one. So it's in the A10 and upper lower right corner is the enter the chart title in the project redesign status. So we will copy this and make this one as a chart title as a, we have pasted this. That's our 7th step. We have total 28 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. You can also contact me for the complete course deal, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my WhatsApp, which is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.